This is Chapter 12, Part 2. We'll start right here. Not so fast, Mr. Auerhart said. I'm not sure what's going on here, but I've got a feeling we owe the doctor an apology. Probably several apologies. He planted both hands on Roy's shoulders. Let's see those dog bites, partner. Roy lowered his eyes. I didn't get bit, Dad. It wasn't me. Mrs. Eberhard groaned. Okay, now I get it. I'm the crazy one, right? I'm the raving loony bird. Folks, excuse me, but we've still got a major problem, Dr. Gonzalez said. We've still got a patient missing. Officer Delinka was thoroughly confused. Once again, he reached for his radio in anticipation of calling headquarters. Before my brain explodes, said Mrs. Eberhart, would someone please explain what this is all about? Only one person can do that, Mr. Eberhart gestured toward Roy, who suddenly wanted to crawl down a hole and hide. His father turned him around to face Dr. Gonzalez. Tex? She said, arching an eyebrow. Roy felt his face redden. I'm really sorry. This is a hospital. This is no place for games. I know it's not. I apologize. If you're the real Roy, the doctor said, then who was that young man in the bed, and where did he go? I want the truth. Roy stared at the tops of his sneakers. He couldn't remember another day in his life when so many things had gone so wrong. Son, his father said, answer the doctor. His mother squeezed his arm. Come on, honey, it's important. You can be sure we'll find him, Officer Delinko chimed in, sooner or later. Bleakly, Roy looked up to address the grown-ups. I don't know the boy's name, and I don't know where he is, he said. I'm sorry, but that's the truth. And technically, it was.